Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by picking a suitable background like an MP4 or GIF because they loop smoothly and keep file size reasonable. Once chosen, insert the file directly onto the slide and stretch to cover the canvas. Make sure to hold Shift to preserve aspect ratio if needed. After that, set playback options to start automatically and hide while not playing. These steps get you past basic setup and into the editing flow quickly, so you can focus on animation and timing next. Now you refine motion. If using a video, enable loop until stopped so movement repeats without user input. For GIF, this often happens automatically. Once done, use transitions and adjust duration to match the media length. That way, slide advances when you want it to. Make sure to check video tools or format options for brightness, contrast, or transparency to keep foreground text readable. These middle steps balance aesthetics and legibility while you prepare the presentation flow. Finish by testing the slideshow on the actual device because codecs and performance differ. Run the slideshow end-to-end and confirm looping and timing. If file size is an issue, compress media using built-in tools and then retest. Make sure to embed rather than link to avoid missing files. And if playback stutters or won't start, convert the background to MP4 with H.264 encoding or embed the file. That single troubleshooting tip fixes most cross-device playback problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.